All right, 12 yards from the target. I'm just going to do some practical shootability, get my sights lined up, land these on target as fast as I think I can hit the target. So here's our 380 ACP. Let's see what this does for me. All right. Kind of a handful to control, to be honest. Let's see how I can do with that 32 ACP. All right, got a little overconfident there. Pulled one over the target. Our 32 long. Let's see how I can do with this. I'd probably pick this out of all those, but you know, there's a lot more gun there to carry around.